I am unboxing my shipment from iHERB through DHL. So this is worth around 6,000 products, 6,000 pesos. So I will try to check what's inside in it. Okay. Wow, very nice. Now you see this is coming from iHERB. Is really nice since it is wow. So this is the product from iHerbs. So there's this like the ano siguro to. And I have my wala kainit. I have my organic cranberry. I have my L-carnitine for Kirino Cabrubes Jr. This is vegan capsule, 60 capsules. And I have my Procreation Fertility multivitamin, 60 capsules. And I have my organic Spiriluna. And I have my organic cholera powder. And I have my folic hearts. And I have my Procreation. Dalawa pala itong Procreation. And I have my CQ10 for my husband. Fermented. This is 360 capsules of gels. This vegetarian, dietary. And I have my L-carnitine also. There are two in it there. And two also like this. And I have my vitamin E, which is 400 IU. This is 100 tubs, vegetarian also capsule. And of course, I have my collagen, super collagen. The flavor is berry lemon. So this is good for my smoothie, gluten-free, and what else? Non-GMO. And of course, I have my flaxseed. This is organic flaxseed, ground organic flaxseed. So this is what I've got from iHERB products. iHERB, all of these things from what I have. So this is very nice. I got it from them. No, okay. The box is very good. It is very safe, and the product also, it's very good. Okay, thank you iHERB. So I will give feedback for this one. This is my first time that I purchased from online all the vitamins and organic pagyud siya. Okay, thank you.